Investing in the Metaverse, how startups are inventing a new world. The concept of the Metaverse has had an enormous increase in popularity over the past year, with hundreds of projects, both on-chain and off-chain, looking to integrate virtual world concepts. Given that the Metaverse niche is expected to value nearly $5 trillion by 2030, many investors are eager to gain exposure to this growth. Hello, and welcome to the Binary Summary channel. In this video, we will talk about investing in the Metaverse and how startups are inventing a new world. So, before moving further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming amazing videos. Alright, let's jump in. How to invest in Metaverse. Those who buy cryptocurrency regularly will have first-hand experience of the Metaverse's growth over the past year, with many projects helping bring this concept into the mainstream. The 5 approaches below describe how to invest in the Metaverse efficiently, each coming with its own unique benefits for investors. Metaverse games, Metaverse NFTs, Metaverse crypto, Metaverse real estate, and finally Metaverse stocks. A closer look at the best ways to invest in the Metaverse. Let's explore these approaches mentioned, discussing what they are and how they can benefit investors over the longer term. Number 1. Metaverse games. Our pick for the best way to invest in the Metaverse is through Metaverse games or via the best Metaverse NFT projects. The growth in this area of gaming over the past year has been exponential, driven by high-profile projects like Decentraland and The Sandbox. However, smaller projects are regularly launching that look to capitalize on the success of those that came before. In a nutshell, Metaverse games are precisely what the name implies: gaming platforms based on the Metaverse. Many of the best Metaverse coins are native to these gaming projects, enabling them to run smoothly. One of the most appealing characteristics of these games is the level of immersion they can offer to gamers. Those who have seen Steven Spielberg's Ready Player One will have a firm grasp of what Metaverse games look like. They feature rich 3D worlds where players create their own avatars and can interact with other players' avatars. This offers a new way to socialize, one that looks set to become even more prevalent in today's post-pandemic world. Number 2. Metaverse NFTs. Another popular way to invest in Metaverse is through NFTs. Some of the best NFTs over the past year have been part of Metaverse-based projects due to their valuable characteristics. One main factor that makes NFTs attractive from a Metaverse standpoint is that they can provide true ownership of in-game assets. For example, in the Gods Unchained Metaverse game, the in-game playing cards are structured as NFTs. This means that all of a player's cards are genuinely theirs, preventing them from being stolen or altered. In turn, this reduces or removes the concept of cheating or hacking from the game. Number 3. Metaverse crypto. Another approach for how to invest in the Metaverse is through Metaverse crypto. In a nutshell, Metaverse crypto describes the native tokens of Metaverse-based projects. These tokens tend to be used for various tasks, such as transactions, staking, and even governance. Let's look at these in more detail. In-world transactions. Each Metaverse's native token can usually be used to purchase items from the in-world marketplace. For example, users can buy Axie Infinity and use tokens to purchase additional Axies for use in-game. This also means sellers are compensated in Metaverse crypto, which they can then exchange into another digital currency. Staking. Crypto staking involves locking up tokens for a specified period, usually to help boost the platform's security level. Many Metaverse platforms offer their own staking mechanisms whereby token holders can generate a yield on their holdings, all whilst benefiting the broader ecosystem. Governance. Finally, many Metaverse projects are structured as a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, meaning that the token holders are the ones who govern the platform. Most of the best crypto DAO projects allow token holders to vote on governance proposals, with those receiving the highest number of votes being the ones that move forward. The list that we just mentioned is not exhaustive, as Metaverse crypto coins can be used in many ways. They also provide an easy way to invest in Metaverse since they're often listed on the best crypto exchanges. As such, investors who aren't active in a specific Metaverse can still gain exposure to its growth by investing in tokens. Number 4. Metaverse real estate. Metaverse real estate has become one of the most exciting elements within this growing sector, offering a unique take on ownership and renting. Those wondering how to invest in Metaverse real estate can do so by participating in Metaverse projects that enable users to purchase plots of virtual land. And finally, at number 5, Metaverse stocks. Rounding off our discussion on the best ways to invest in Metaverse is Metaverse stocks. There is an abundance of Metaverse stocks to invest in, which will appeal to investors who prefer to operate in the equity market rather than the crypto market. The best Metaverse stocks may not offer direct exposure to the growth of a specific platform, but rather exposure to the industry's growth overall. A great example is Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, which is now deeply involved in virtual reality and the expansion of Metaverse concepts. Even in late 2021, most people had no idea what the Metaverse was. Then Mark Zuckerberg announced Facebook's rebrand to Meta, and interest in the Metaverse exploded. Goldman Sachs estimates the Metaverse to be an $8 trillion market opportunity. Microsoft acquired gaming studio Blizzard for $68 billion to provide the building blocks for its Metaverse play. While Apple's CEO Tim Cook declared the Metaverse very interesting and said the company will invest accordingly. Meanwhile, NFTs of Bored Apes began selling for millions of dollars apiece. From producing detailed avatars to creating virtual storefronts, the Metaverse is a computer-generated world where revenue streams are very real. Creative startups are flourished by building custom-made virtual worlds for clients. The possibilities are endless. Join our crowd online for investing in the Metaverse, startups inventing a new world, where you will encounter the CEOs of Metaverse startups and leading industry figures who are changing the reality of retail, entertainment, and investing. Speakers include Gil Perry, co-founder and CEO of DID, Lyron Benthoven, CEO and president of the Glimpse Group, Nasdaq VRAR, Jules Polonetsky, CEO of the Future of Privacy Forum and co-chairman of the Israel Tech Policy Institute, Gilad Talman, CEO of Tetavai, and Noam Levavi, CEO of Beyond XR. The event will be hosted by Ali Feuerstein, our crowd's Director of New Business, International and Investor Relations. While it is easy to dismiss the Metaverse as a fad, underneath the hype and the absurdity is a synthesis of trends that have been brewing for a long time and could provide a significant investment opportunity. The core of the Metaverse is the blend of gaming and social media, similar to the oasis portrayed in Ready Player One. The Metaverse is an immersive online experience to buy or earn rewards and show accolades to friends. It is not that different from users visiting each other's virtual farms on Facebook's much-loved Farmville, or challenging a friend in Words with Friends. What makes the Metaverse different are the technological improvements that allow for more immersive experiences. High-speed internet and 5G connections allow online multiplayer games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, or PUBG to thrive. Discord or TeamSpeak help online communication. Headsets like the Oculus Quest allow players to have highly immersive online VR experiences. While online gaming experiences have been available for some time, the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated adoption, paving the way for the Metaverse. With people stuck at home during lockdowns and looking for a way to connect to others, they may choose to test the waters of online gaming. There was a 39% global increase in time spent video gaming since the start of the pandemic. Among gamers that started playing since early 2020, 40% say they are likely to continue the same behavior once the health scare is over. Investors have started pouring money into various assets, including NFTs, startups, and public companies. With so much noise in the market, it is important to remember that we are still in the infancy of the Metaverse, and its technological foundations still need to be completed. With the technology available today, a digital experience at a concert, sporting event, or a party still lacks the live sensation that both performers and viewers missed so much during lockdowns and social distancing. Technology is being developed to enhance the immersive experience of the Metaverse with touch, feel, and other sensations that would make it even more like an in-person event. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, do like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below and provide us with your valuable feedback. Until then, stay tuned to Binary Summary.